Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rhaisya Aqeela Khadija. In this video, I will explain how to maximize our garden area to be a sustainable garden that can give us source of veggies and protein. Let's take a look at my video. First, we collect organic waste that we produce in our home. My mother always cook veggies so we can always have waste from the rotten veggies. Next, we add maggots into our organic waste. The maggot will eat the organic waste. And voila! The maggots growing well, become bigger and bigger. Next, we make media for catfish. Pour water into the bucket until half full. This is baby catfish. I moved the baby catfish into the bucket. Wow! They all look so happy. Now, I make the hydroponic media for the colorless vegetable. First, I make some hole in the bottom of plastic cup by hot water, and then I add some charcoal in the bottom of the cup, and also cotton on the top of charcoal. Pour some water into the cotton, then you can add some colorless seed. Don't forget to cover the bucket so the catfish stays in the bucket. Next, I put the hydroponic plant in the cover of the bucket. So, we have both plant and fish in only one bucket. It maximizes the area of our garden, isn't it? This is the growing of maggot after 10 days. And this is the growing of maggots after 21 days. They're so gross, aren't they? Eee. When the maggots are big enough, I take them and throw it in the bucket, so it can be eaten by the catfish. See, I don't need to buy the food for the catfish. You can see the catfish are catching the maggot. Yippee! After a few days, my catfish are big enough to be harvested. And fortunately, my hydroponic kale are ready to be harvested too. I'm going to make kale soup and crispy catfish. I make this project because our area for gardening is getting small and smaller. This makes it difficult to plant in our garden